The CoastalCraftFilAm channel. Today we're going to be doing a yarn unboxing or a yarn haul, and we're going to be talking about a store as well. It's called Bi-Mart, and they're only found in Pacific Northwest. We've lived in Texas and Colorado before, and I've never encountered this store before. So they're based on Eugene, Oregon, and they're employee owned, which is pretty neat. It's like Winco, and they sell a lot of seasonal and cool items that are really discounted. The nice thing about this store is that there is a membership, but it's only $5 for like a lifetime membership, so you don't have to pay ever again. And they give you a card when you get to the store, and they have actually you can walk in the store for free as a one-time courtesy to check out if you want the membership, which is what we did in the start. And yes, this is a really nice store. And please drop in the comments if you've gone in one of these stores. Right now, I've started crocheting, so I'm really looking for stores that sell cheap threads. I'm looking for good discounts. I've looked in online like Michaels and Hobie. They have good deals, but I'm looking for this kind of thread, those fine threads, and these are actually cheaper than like big box store prices like Walmart, Amazon, and even Michaels when they get the 40% of discount. So yes, I got a super good deal. I looked at online and I found that they carry like six specific colors. In Michaels, they're around $299 per ball. In Bi-Mart, it's only 279. So you get to save like 20 cents per ball. So the only colors that they carry are this peacock teal, and this is 350 yards. And it uses a 1.5 mm hook. So you can like use a 2 mm hook or even like a 2.5. There's another one which is a light pink. It's called orchid pink. And then I got two of the ivory because I'm planning to like ink some of my amigurumis, which is what I'm making this for. Some miniature amigurumis, so I can ink it using an ivory color. And then I have a red one here, Classic 10 red. And this one is called the Victoria Red, oh, Victory Red. And we got two more. We got the Classic 10 in black. Let's see here. Yes, it's just called black. And then the last one we have is the lilac. So they only carry specific colors because the store is big, but it's not as big as like Sam's Club and other big box stores, Costco. Um, they're just a decent size, so they only color specific colors, and I've also checked their websites, and these are the only colors that they carry. So yeah, this is just the unboxing for today. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.